I don't normally do meditation first thing in the morning like some jungle person. I'm going to do it today because with kids there's like, it's like so hard to get like quiet moments, and I'm using Simple Habit.
It ain't nothing to me. Young Tom Hardy with the movies. Act out smoothie. Mickey for the goofies. Pokemon with the hoes cause I'm choosies.
I don't know if you've heard, but it's 2019. Happy New Year. I want to direct your attention to the number of the subscribers on this channel. I have reached 100,000 people subscribed to my channel, Hannah McNeely. That just blows my mind. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys who supports me. When I started this YouTube thing several years ago, I only did it for fun. I had a full-time gig, a full-time job, and now slowly I've been taking it more and more seriously. But the coolest part is that this entire time I'm literally just being myself, and if that resonates with 100,000 people, that is frankly very, very cool. Personally, I love the new year. It's just a great mental restart. Even if you don't do resolutions, I don't really do resolutions. It's just a great kick in the pants to get you started working towards your goal. And there is nothing I love more than smashing my own goals and watching others reach theirs. And for this specific video, I have partnered with Skillshare because it is, it's the new year. So that means it's time for you to start reaching your own goals. And the first step to reaching any goal is literally just starting. So Skillshare is the perfect tool for you. Skillshare is basically this online video learning platform experience where there's tons of classes, like over 25,000 classes in things like design and business, and they have things like video editing and Final Cut Pro, which is what I use to edit my own videos. And if you're not doing video editing like I am, Skillshare has a ton of other classes such as SEO and entrepreneurship, Adobe Illustrator, and design, and they even have fun kind of like hobby oriented classes like drawing and language learning and even dancing. They have so much variety in there, but they're really focused on business building. Skillshare is giving away a free 2-month unlimited access trial to the first 500 people to click the link in the description box. This gives you incentive to click the box quickly because it's January, it's 2019, and this is the time to start making those first steps. And after that, premium memberships cost about $10 a month. Again, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you guys who have subscribed to my channel and supported me over the years. It means so much to me. I keep doing this. It's like, thank you. Also, in this video you're about to see, I am in Maui visiting my sister. In fact, currently I'm still in Maui visiting my sister. I'm just letting you know that's what the video is about. Today we're just kind of like chilling and working around the house and playing together. But I'm going to show you what I ate today as well as what my sister ate today. My sister is Ellen Fisher. Also, I just want to say I was not looking forward to filming because I feel very not cute right now, and this is why. I have like a welt or something under my eye, and I don't know what it is. It doesn't hurt or anything. I have no idea. I woke up with it one day as if like I scratched myself in my sleep or something. I don't want to just film when I feel cute. Like sometimes I just want to film when I just normal. Like this is Hannah. This is Hannah McNeely right here with this thing. Just as I do every morning, I'm going to start with a liter of water. I always drink this first thing in the morning. It's just a great way to wake up. I swear you don't even need caffeine. I still drink caffeine sometimes, but it really wakes you up, especially your digestive system, if you know what I mean.
She's saying she a foodie, thinking she uni, and she always stressing about uni. Think it's my duty to go and get faded with my goonies. Down shots like Lil Uzi.
Give me a kiss and make it look like you like me. Elvis and I started a puzzle yesterday. We do a lot of like kid puzzles that are really easy. It's these like giant pieces that you put in and it's like koosh, and it's like you could do it in 5 minutes. But I am challenging us to do an adult puzzle, and I know it's quite ambitious, but yesterday we started a 1,000 piece puzzle. They have to follow my directions. They can't just go at it like crazy, otherwise it will never get done. So we're doing it in a very organized way.
Did you find even more edge pieces?
I found so many edge pieces that we missed. Look!
It's almost done!
But I swear we're missing more edge pieces.
They're done!
Wait, hold on. No. That doesn't fit.
Maybe it just goes together.
Sandy, can you put that piece back in the box? We're gonna lose it.
Doesn't go in the box. It goes What is this pile?
Oh, these are the...
We did something wrong.
But one's gonna be excluded no matter what.
Wait, I know where the sun goes. I think it goes right here.
I really doubt that. I'm having one banana. Just one. Before we work out. Ellen and I are gonna do a workout, but we're not gonna show it to you because our form's terrible. Nah, it's not it. Okay. Now it's time for breakfast. Whenever I'm in Hawaii, I always have lots of papaya because the papaya here is so good. Can I have this white sapote? Yes. Yes. Hey boys.
What?
Do you guys want to help me with the puzzle again?
Yeah. No.
Because I know people are gonna ask what white sapote is. It is a fruit that actually does grow native in California as well. And it's white and creamy on the inside, green on the outside, and I eat the skin. And it's like a creamy, sweet pie almost, right, Sandy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like sapote?
Yeah.
Mmm. You see how soft it is? Mmm. What are you having today, Ellen?
I am having a delicious plate of papaya to start my day.
Yum.
Oh yum. With some lilikoi, also called passion fruit.
And we have socks on because it is chilly. Papaya is like the best thing you can have in the morning. Sandy, do you want to tell the camera what we're doing?
We're playing a puzzle.
But is this an adult puzzle or a kid puzzle?
Adult puzzle.
No.
Yeah. Kid puzzle.
It's a kid puzzle. Now we're having a smoothie, and Ellen's making it for us with little Scouty.
Stop, but we gotta leave enough for Hannah, okay? Is that good? No? More?
Two here.
There. Oh,
What's
more?
there?
Well, you know, this is my smoothie too, Sandy. Okay, so I will be starving today.
No,
I'm just kidding.
You can also all pour.
No, I'll make some more. It's fine.
So, like right now, I didn't put much frozen mango in it, like only like half a cup, because I didn't want it too cold, because it's just not, I'm not craving like something cold.
It's like perfect right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take the boys to the beach, and I'm just gonna bring myself a little salad to get more greens in, and because I know I'm gonna get hungry at the beach.
This is my lunch. I have some baked sweet potatoes and potatoes with hummus, and a green salad with arugula and lettuce and dulse, onion, avocado, tahini, and sauerkraut.
Ellen was feeling a little bit under the weather yesterday, so Andrew made her a warming, nutrient-dense soup and broth so she could drink that and feel back to normal the next day, and she really did. She woke up feeling great, which was awesome. The normal dinner Andrew made for the rest of the family was potato tacos. It was so bomb. We just had some tortillas with mashed potatoes and pinto beans that are mashed up and guacamole and salsa, and I put a little hot sauce on mine, and it was delicious. I had 3 giant tacos, and then I had a 4th one. And then Ellen actually had a big appetite, so she had a taco as well. Tell us.
Wizard in it.
Yeah, of course it's Wizards. It's Harry Potter. Show them the front cover. When I was here in March, I read you The Sorcerer's Stone.
Now we're reading the Chamber's Secret.
Woo! Are you excited?
Yeah, and then we're gonna watch the movie.
We're gonna watch it. We should do like popcorn. Sandy, do you want to come say hi to the camera?
Hi.
Let's say goodbye to the camera. Thank you so much for being in my video, guys. Thanks for having me at your house.
No, thank you for the camera being in the video. The camera's in the video. See? This is the camera.
It's so meta.
I want more bacon. There's more in the frying pan, sweetums, said Aunt Petunia, turning misty eyes on her massive son. We must build you up while we've got the chance. I don't like the sound of that school food.